Hey you guys, so today I decided that I wanted to just take it back, go a little old school YouTube and do just a quick fun little makeup tutorial. We pulled out everybody's favorite, the James Charles palette. I know a lot of people are still getting these in as of recent, and I just wanted to pull it out and do another cute fun little look with it. Fun and fresh sister look with it. I'm sorry, I'm terrible at that. But yeah, so that's what we did today. We've got a quick little tutorial. I hope y'all enjoy it. And intro. And now you can have your tutorial. Okay, so of course we're gonna do first things first, and I'm gonna go in with canvas right here. I may not remember all the names as I use them, but this is what we're using first, and we're just gonna put this all over the eye. This will set everything in place. It's not really gonna show any pigment, but just to get things started, we're gonna put this everywhere. This is a very, very good base color. Then after canvas, I want to play with the more neutral side of things. So after canvas, I'm gonna go into, oh, is that right? Mary right here. And I'm gonna take this on a Morphe M433. Ooh. Y'all, I'm having technical difficulties. My table is officially too little. But I'm going to take Mary on an M433. And I'm just going to buff this into the crease. Just like so. This is going to be a, hopefully a little more red toned kind of a look. I know I play in mostly reds and pinks all the time. I'm sorry guys. That's just like what works best for me. I didn't want to do another halo eye today, so this is what we are going for. Just laying it down in the crease to get that base color laid down, and then getting our other eye. Okay, so after that I want to take this color right here, which is Boutique. And I'm going to take that on another M443, a different one, and I'm going to put that in the crease a little lower down to deepen up this look a little bit. This is not going to be our darkest color, but it is definitely darker than the one we just used. And we are just going to bring this back and forth, lower down in the crease, which is going to give us a nice, deeper effect and just make everything look a little more sultry. Y'all know that's my jam. Just like so. Okay, so then we're going to use this Luxie 229, and we are going to take this darkest shade right here, which is Benny. And we are going to put this in the outer corner, barely dragging it over, like y'all know I love to do with my deep colors. And we're just going to pack it on here real gently, just like so. And that even might have been a little bit of overkill, but we are going to do that and then lightly blend it over to deepen up this outer corner and add this last little bit of a sultry effect to the look. Just dragging. And I would like to clarify, I did not use a primer today, just concealer. So we're going to get to see the real pigment of this palette. But let me do that other eye. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash line real quick. And I'm going to take both of the colors I worked with, taking the lightest one first, sweeping it across. Just real nice and easy, and kind of blowing it out a little bit, blending it, making sure that you can see that in that lower lash line, and then being a little more precise, taking that next color up and trying to keep it a little bit closer to the lash line, just like So, and that ties everything together a little bit better. And then I'm feeling a little bit dark and smoky. So we are going to go ahead and take this third color over right here. This is Halloween. And I'm going to take it on my finger. And I'm just going to press it in to the lid. Holy goodness, that is so pretty. And just make sure that we get this on this second half of the lid, bringing it into that darker outer corner color. And then taking a little bit of the gold shade right beside it and pressing that into the first half of the lid to give a little bit of an ombre effect, and back and forth going until we have that blended in real nicely, making sure we get plenty of that gold, which almost has a greenish tint to it, but nothing crazy. And just taking a little bit more of that orange so we can ombre that together a little bit better. And yeah, that is going to be the eye look. Other than we're going to take just a little bit of the champagne pink, pop it in the inner corner. Real nice and easy, just to give us that little bit of brightness right where we need it. Just like that. And I'm going to finish the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is our final look. It's a little bit messy, but it's definitely cute. I love it. This is only, y'all, I never use my makeup very often. This is my second time playing with the James Charles palette. I still have really good feelings about it. I do like that I can get a slightly more neutral look with it. Honestly, I could get something super natural and easy with it if I wanted to. I'm just a little extra when I actually take the time to put my makeup on. So yeah, let's zoom us out. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this quick little tutorial. I know it's not much, but we haven't done just like a plain Jane makeup tutorial in quite a while because we've been doing so many unboxings and reviews and stuff and whatever. So I just wanted to pull out a palette that I know that I love and give it another play, see what we can make. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you recreate this look, be sure to let me know, tag me in it. All my socials are down below. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.